Been making a lot of e-bike videos lately, but I have not made any e-bike safety videos. So this brings up the question, is there safety training you can take about riding e-bikes to make you a safer driver, make you better, and maybe get some accreditation as well? Local governments are starting to talk about having e-bike licenses as a requirement for people to be able to ride a bike if they're, age 12 to 16 before they have a car driver's license. And one of my friends has started an e-bike accreditation course online at pedalace.com. I'll put a link in the description with more details on that. Basically, what you do is you get online, you take the course, you pass a bunch of tests, you earn a certificate of completion, and it goes over driving rules, it goes over sharing the road, goes over helmets and safety gear, teaches you some accident prevention details, and teaches you some safety and maintenance about taking care of your bike. So I think it's a good thing as a parent to do. Like if your kid wants to get an e-bike, which is essentially a slow motorcycle that you're going to ride around a bunch of big, heavy cars, it's a good idea to take something like this so the kid at least knows what they're in for. I think even the most cynical kid is going to get something out of this that might save their life someday. So if you're interested, there's a link in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching and stay safe.